Hey guys, Ross Macfarlane here, coming to you with another video, and today I wanted to talk about affiliate marketing tips and the truth about passive income online with online business and affiliate marketing. So if this is your first time here on the channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you get notified when I post the video each and every single week. So I've been in the online space for a few years now, and I don't claim to know it all, and a lot of the stuff that people talk about out there, it's a lot of their perception. Everybody's got their own perception of different things, but I wanted to talk today about passive income. Now, passive income is a term that gets flung around a lot out there, and it breeds the mindset of laziness. And a lot of people out there are shooting ads, putting out content, talking about passive income as if that we can get it, and then once we've got it, we'll have to do nothing to sustain it. And when in reality, that's not the truth. Now, to gain passive income, we'll have to give something, no matter what it is. We'll have to give a commodity, whether it's in the traditional world, whether it's in the online world, the digital world, whatever it may be. We're going to have to give up. If we're in the traditional world and we want to earn some passive income off real estate or property, for example, we're going to have to give some cash to get that property to then generate that passive income. That's right. And then the same in the digital world. We're going to have to give up some time or some money or some skills to then create some passive income. But at the same time, the same as with the property analogy, that property, it's going to need maintenance over a period of time. It's not just going to stay the way it was from the minute you bought it. It's going to need maybe a new bathroom after 5 years, maybe a new kitchen after 10 years, and maybe the roof starts to leak. It's going to need a little bit of maintenance. And it's exactly the same with an online business. If you start creating stuff, so if you start creating like ads, or you start creating digital assets, which I'm an absolute huge fan of now. Like I made the absolute fundamental mistake of getting started online, diving straight into paid marketing, going to 5-figure months, and then realizing that I hadn't built up any digital assets, which then generate passive income. But at the same time, when you do build up these digital assets, whether that be a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a blog post, whatever that may be, you still have to maintain it. You still have to keep it up. Even though you're generating passive income from stuff like AdSense on YouTube or AdSense on your blog posts and stuff, there's still that factor of you can't just stop creating content. You have to keep creating content. And it doesn't have to be at the same manner of kind of content that you were creating at the start, because by that point you've built up your digital assets and you've got an authority and you're able to utilize your skills and go on and create other things, whether that be courses or webinars or seminars or weekend retreats away or whatever that may be. But at the same time, there's people out there promoting passive income, and it breeds laziness, as if you just come in, click a few buttons, and the passive income just starts flowing in. And it just doesn't work like that. And I've always said on my channel, I want to be a straight talking digital marketer. I want to be someone who's totally transparent, and passive income does exist. It does. And it's a great thing to have. Like when I first got started online, there was a subscription based affiliate product with the online education company that I got started with. So when I started to build up a membership base, I did start to have, or do still have, passive income that comes in each and every month. But if I stop giving value to those members, or if I stop marketing that product, sooner or later, the members are going to start dropping off and the passive income is going to start dropping down. I have to maintain the passive income. It's not going to be at the same level as what it was at the start. Whereas what I mean by that is, what you'll have to do is at the start is you've got to create the machine. You have to create the automated machine, which you can do with different things like email autoresponders or YouTube videos or ads and all these different things that you can create to then leverage the internet and use software and use all these different tools, that you have this machine that works. One of my friends in this online community that I'm part of, actually, he called it like a great analogy. He's like, what happens is we've got our engine and we just have to tweak the engine, and that's all you have to do. Once you get the engine built and it's working fine, you still have to keep tweaking the engine, oiling the engine, and making sure everything's working smooth. And it's exactly the same with passive income online. You can't just decide that you're going to create a YouTube channel and then create tons of videos, wait on some revenue coming in, and then just stop creating videos. Like, it just doesn't work like that. You have to continue to keep weeding the garden, or whatever it may be. You have to keep adding to it, and it's like you just keep tweaking the engine and adding the machine. So I hate the fact that people out there, they're always talking about, yeah, come and join my course, and you can create some passive income. And that being said, if you hit the link in the description below, you can join my course and create some passive income. All joking aside, but yeah, I just hate this notion that goes about online just now, where people are like, click this button and you can create passive income. Like, yes, you can create passive income online, you can, and it is such a great thing. But a big misconception is that what we're creating is a lifestyle business. When it comes to affiliate marketing, when it comes to having an online business, we're not creating something that you just, once you get to a certain stage, you just leave and it just works on automation. Like, 80% of it does work on automation and it does work for you, but there is 20% of it that needs the garden to be tended to. You have to, if you're doing YouTube ads like I do, there's going to be a certain stage where you're getting a YouTube ad that's generating you a certain amount of revenue. It's going to get to a stage where that YouTube ad is going to get stagnant and it's not going to be the same messaging. Then you're going to have to create another YouTube ad. It may take 10 ads to get another ad that's performing as well as the previous one. But it's like, you have to keep tending the garden. I keep using that analogy. I can't think of another analogy. Please, if someone has a better analogy for me, please leave it in the comments section below. But yeah, this notion of passive income, it just breeds total laziness. Gives a mindset of total laziness, and it's not. Like, it is a lifestyle business. That's what this is. And the lifestyle business is that if you've got something, a machine that's working for you online, 80% of the time, you can work on it when and how you please. For example, you might want to batch your work. You might want to work one week and not work the following week. You might want to work an hour a day. You might want to work a couple of hours a day, or 1 hour an evening. Or like myself, if my son or daughter has something on and I want to take some time off, I can take some time off and I can just work, say, in the evening, or I can do double the amount of work the next day. It's a lifestyle business. It's choice. It's freedom. It's writing our own paychecks. That's what it is. But this notion and idea of passive income, you just create something and then it just generates revenue for you on a constant basis without having to actually do any work on top of that, that doesn't really exist. And if it does, please let me know and leave a comment below and I'll get in touch with you and I'll go ahead and create it. But all joking aside, I just wanted to put that video out there today as just to have the quickest way to success with affiliate marketing or online business is just to ditch that mindset of, I'm just going to create this machine and it's just going to generate income for me. You want to do it around something that you absolutely love. So if you're doing something that you love, you'll never work a day in your life. And that's what you want to do. Create value for others, and that's always the quickest way to success. And whatever you will do, it'll never seem like you're working anyway, because what you're doing is you're doing something that you actually enjoy. So if there is someone out there who's watching this video and has sussed out that you do just have to do this one thing that creates passive income and you don't have to do anything else, please let me know. Leave a little comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And also, if you're someone who's maybe just getting started, or you've maybe started, you're in the middle, entrepreneurship, you've got started online, leave a little comment below. Let me know the challenges, see if I can help. If you want to join my email list, you can. What you can do is you could just hit the little link in the description below. I'm sharing all things online business, affiliate marketing, all tips and tricks that I'm in the trenches using right now. There's also a free video training workshop in there that you can use, maybe give you some different ideas. And also, if you like this video and you found any value from it whatsoever, please like and share. You might even want to leave a comment and say, Ross, stop speaking so fast with your Scottish accent. The subtitles can't keep up. But whatever it may be, go ahead and leave a comment. Make sure to like, make sure to share, and I will catch you in the next video.